Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap a box in wrapping paper. Make sure to watch till the end so you know how to do it. Okay, first, what you want to do is grab yourself some scissors, some tape, a box, or whatever you're wrapping, and some wrapping paper. Let's get started. First, you want to lay out your wrapping paper, and then put your present on it. Okay. Get the length it needs to be by wrapping it over. And then that's where you're going to want to cut it. So you want to cut it down a nice straight line. Okay. Now we need to cut this end because it looks a little too long. So let's cut that to the length that it needs to be. So, that looks good. Now, put your box in the center of the paper. Grab one side. Get it nice and tight over it. Grab the other side, wrap it over, and this is where you want your tape. And I'm just gonna do one piece of tape, but you might need more depending on how big your present is. Get it all tight, and then put your tape on it. Okay, so that's the top. Okay, so we're gonna do the sides. So what we're going to do is make sure this is flat. Get it all nice and flat. Like that. Okay. And then you want to make a triangle on the bottom and make sure the ends are pressing up against it. So, like that. And then you wrap it back up. Wrap it bring it up, grab your tape, smack that tape on there, like that. Okay, and so you can see how the sides look a little funky. So just bring those in, and just grab some tape and tape the sides in so it looks better. There you go. Okay, and now you're just gonna do the same thing for the other side. And I have finished wrapping the present. So let me just show you. Doesn't look too shabby, eh? Now that is how to wrap a present. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. And just thanks for watching.